pin code. It's a very nice restaurant in Abu Dhabi. It's located in Galabia Mall. You must please visit. So I'll be just talking to the chef for a few things just to get to know him more closely. So chef, what inspired you to open up this restaurant?
So I think most of Indian food across the world, you see, it's more of Punjabi food, but there's so much more of Indian food from different states of India, which is best captured in different pin codes of the country. And we have picked up those pin codes and made a menu.
Yeah, and to tell you guys, this restaurant has food from all over India. So you'll find from all the places. Every food, the speciality of every state, place is you can find it here. So chef, so you love cooking from childhood?
I watched my father, grandfather cooking in the kitchen. So for me, growing up, men in kitchen was normal. So I think I kind of give them a little bit of a credit every time that they're the ones who made it easy for me to pick up this trade.
Oh, that's nice. So it's been like how long?
So as a professional chef, 25 years.
That's nice. So as you know that he is one of the most famous Indian chef we have in India. So all of you must have heard and of course seen him in MasterChef, main judge. So what's your favorite dish?
I don't have one, I have many. So it's endless, but usually whatever my mom cooks, I enjoy eating.
So what made you like Abu Dhabi was your location?
I think post opening Dubai, it made sense to kind of expand, and Abu Dhabi is the natural choice. Upcoming, it's growing a big Indian diaspora as well.
So you know Abu Dhabi.
Oh yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Peaceful, it's progressive.
Oh, that's really nice. So anything you would like to tell the youngsters who are coming into this?
Well, I think a lot of kids, when they start early on, they're excited, but as they get into the industry, they realize the hardships. It's not easy. It's very demanding on time and energy. My only advice to them is to just put your head down and just learn as much as you can in your initial years. 4, 5, 6 years, it's nothing in culinary. Yeah, it takes time, but once you know your trade, then it just becomes easy for you.
So if you have the passion, you can.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.